Mobile apps have become a huge part of our lives. From basic utilities to games and other recreational software, apps have never been more relevant. A mobile app is a program designed to run on smartphones, tablet computers, and other mobile devices. These apps differ from computer programs as they are designed for a smaller screen, and mostly use a tactile, touch-sensitive interface, as almost all smartphones nowadays have a touchscreen. Making mobile apps is very different from making software for any other platform, as the skills required differ a lot. As smartphones have a smaller screen, user interface design is an essential skill that will help your app stand out from the crowd. This includes ease of use, superior design, and smooth operation. Also, in the past 10 years, as the smartphone market has grown so much, consumers have a lot more options for their choice of smartphone. A skilled application developer should be versatile enough to create apps across any platform for any device. Technical knowledge is still probably the biggest barrier to entry for most people. This includes experience with commonly used programming languages like Objective-C, Java, and Python, depending on the platform you would be developing for. As competition has increased, so have the expectations of the users themselves. This has led to creativity and a deeper understanding of the problem becoming crucial before you can even start developing. Apps in their primitive form have existed since 1994, in the IBM Simon, which is nowadays referred to as the world's first smartphone. Back then, they weren't even called apps and were mostly referred to as extra features. However, most applications on mobile phones back then were coming directly from the manufacturer, and there was no way for a third party to share applications with the public. Slowly, more apps were coming with every new phone, and they started moving away from just the necessities like mail, contacts, and calculators to more recreational apps such as games. The moment that revolutionized the tech industry was the release of the iPhone 3G, which came with an app store and an app development kit allowing anyone and everyone to create and sell their own app. Just after 3 days of the App Store being released, 10 million apps had already been downloaded off of it. As the technology kept improving, so did the apps themselves since they had better hardware to make use of. Nowadays, apps can do a lot more and have become a crucial part of our lives. The field of mobile applications has seen worldwide growth, with app developers in North America making the most revenue. However, it is still difficult for an upcoming app developer to make money off of their app, as 55% of developers globally make less than $1,000 a month. In developing regions like India, Africa, and parts of China, revenue is low. However, the number of consumers is growing steadily, as is the interest to develop. In conclusion, app development is a young and emerging industry that has a lot of potential with a staggering amount of unfulfilled jobs. The need for people with app development in their skill set is increasing day by day, and the world is watching eagerly to see where it goes.